Today we're showing you a 2016 John Deere 4105 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere H165 quick attach front loader. Tractor has 41 horsepower, has just over 150 hours on it. Has a 5-foot quick attach front bucket. It's got the John Deere style quick attach system. Front grill guard. Paint is in excellent condition. The tractor nearly looks new. Tires are excellent. It's got the 2-range hydrostat transmission. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2022. 540 PTO, 3-point hitch with the stabilizer bars. Rollover bar with the warning lights. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions, so it does not have an exhaust filter or DEF. 2-range lever right here beside the seat. Also have your 4-wheel drive and differential lock lever here beside the seat. Over here to the right, you've got your 3-point control and your loader control. Down on the floor there, you've got your 2 pedals for your hydrostat. You got forward and reverse over there. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. The tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. Looks like the John Deere warranty runs until September of 2022, so you can buy with confidence. And again, this engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. If you have any questions, please contact us.